Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video here on Solana. I couldn't leave you without a Solana update, of course, even though there's a ton of coins at the moment to make videos on. But no, wanted to make a video here on Solana. I'll probably make the title of the video something like Solana Crash Incoming. That's partially clickbait, I'll be honest, but I do think you need to be careful here with Solana a bit. In general, what I've said in my last videos on Solana is that I'm ridiculously bullish on Solana on the longer term, but I do think it's most likely that from this level right here between 205 and 215 or 216 kind of, I do think this will be the resistance and that we will see a little bit of a deeper pullback from this level. Or at least I think the chances of that are quite high. So I think you need to be aware of that, and that's why I think using a bit of clickbait is fine. If you don't think that's fine, then click away. That's fine as well. But no, what we're seeing from Solana right here is just in general some lack of momentum. I mean, basically since the 8th of November, when we were obviously still very bullish, the momentum has actually dropped down quite a bit. And then outside of that, you can actually see that with the spike we had earlier this morning, we formed a bearish divergence with both the both between the price and the RSI right here, but also between the price and the open interest. So there's just less momentum, even though we made a higher high. So purely technically, and we're at a very strong resistance level. I mean, don't forget this level right here between 205 and 215. Historically, technically, has been very strong. Then we also have that confirmation with the bearish divergences, and then what we also have is that Sui is taking taking away a little bit of the mind share of Solana, right? Sui is kind of seen as the Solana killer. So a lot of the capital that could have went into Solana is now going into Sui, which has made new all-time highs, which is fundamentally also bearish. So that's why I think you need to be careful here. But this is also the moment, like I said, I still want to tell you, like Solana, Sui is not going to beat Solana, all right? It just isn't going to. And if you look at Solana right here, it has a total value locked of $17.2 billion. It is by far the second biggest blockchain, and it's also growing still rapidly, much more than Sui still, even though it has a higher TVL. And if you look at the DEX trading volumes, etc., that's also still great. So fundamentally, Solana will still perform. I just think on the short term, also with this big liquidation spike we had on Bitcoin, I think on the short term, it's more likely that we'll rally up a bit higher, but that we will see somewhat of a deeper pullback into at least this level right here at 185 before going up higher. So yeah, that's what I think. Well, it's a little bit of a short video here, but no, that's kind of what you need to know about Solana. I think short term, this weekend, we can still rally up higher with Solana as well. That's why I'm telling you 215, 205, that's the main level. And I think long term, we will easily break above that and at least get back up to the previous all-time highs, but probably even higher. Because like I said, fundamentally, Solana is still one of my favorite projects and I still hold quite a lot of it. The short term, there's just too many bearish divergences and bearish confirmations for me to buy into this. And if I'm wrong and we break out above 2.15 here, then I'll just buy after that. I would much rather have that confirmation of actually getting the breakout and seeing what the market does before that and kind of in that process, than buying right here into resistance while there are all these bearish confirmations and bearish divergences. Those are my thoughts. Explained a little bit more. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.